So let's go through how the Shopify dropshipping model works. So basically what dropshipping is, it's selling items without actually owning the items. And I know that sounds incredible, and it pretty much is. Now the benefits with this is that you never have to store the products, you never have to worry about losing money on this, and it makes the whole process so simple. So let me show you exactly how this works. What you want to do is find a retailer. Now, a retailer is someone who sells products very cheaply to companies and people like us. So AliExpress, for example, have a lot of different items, sell them very cheaply. And look what I found in there. A $10 watch. What a bargain, right? So we're going to use this watch that we found on AliExpress, and then we're going to create our Shopify website. So when we have created that website, which we can also call a web store or e-commerce, we're going to sell it there for $50. Now already here we can see why this is such a great model. So we're buying it for $10, selling it for $50. Amazing. We're already making money here. Now the only thing left is, of course, finding the customers. And we're going to go through all of this in details in the course. For now, let's just understand how the model works. So as you can see here, this is the entire business model. This is the dropshipping model. You go to the retailer, which is going to be AliExpress, find your product, sell it on your Shopify web store for a much higher price, and then find your customer and sell it to them. So one of the things that makes this system so incredibly effective is that if we reverse it, we can see how the system works from the very beginning, from the customer's point of view. So the customer sees your product. Oh, what a nice watch. I really like that one. I want to have it, or I want to buy it to my partner, etc. So they buy it for $50. Now you get $50 to your account. Awesome. So you go to AliExpress, you buy it for $10, and here's the thing. Here's the key in dropshipping. Now AliExpress is going to ship that watch directly to the customer. You understand how incredibly powerful this becomes? Because all you're doing is being the middle hand here. All you're doing is advertising for it on your website. And you're picking up a big amount of money because you're doing that. But all the actual work is going to be by AliExpress. They'll be sending the product. So let's have a bigger look at the details here. We sold it for $50. Awesome. We bought the actual watch for $10. And then to find the customers, we did Facebook advertising for $5. So we just made a profit of $35, which is incredible. Now imagine having thousands of customers buying different items on your store, then there's nothing to lose. If they don't buy it, doesn't matter because you're not stocking the items. And if they're buying, well, you'll be making a lot of money. And that is why this model is so powerful. And you'll be surprised to know that all of this is actually very easy. So they have made it so user-friendly that anyone can do it. And that's perfect. The easier it is to use, the better it usually is. See you in the next lecture.